Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover an Exodus wallet with your seed phrase in 2026.
If you need to recover your Exodus wallet using your seed phrase in 2026, here's exactly how to do it. First, download the Exodus app on your phone or computer from the official website or the App Store. Open the app, then choose Restore Wallet or I already have a wallet. Now, grab your 12-word recovery phrase, also called your seed phrase. Enter each word in the correct order within the correct spelling. Even one wrong word can stop the recovery process. After entering the phrase, tap Continue and let Exodus restore your wallet. This may take a few moments while it reconnects your balances and transaction history. Once it loads, your crypto assets should appear automatically. After recovery, it's a good idea to enable a password, Face ID, or fingerprint lock for extra security.